Game over. Killer whales, the ocean's top predator. The solution is teamwork. Swimming in perfect formation, they flick their tails in unison and create a wave that cracks the ice. But this time, they unleash a far more powerful wave, and with astonishing force. These big waves are not intended to break the ice, but to knock the prey into the water. The seal is now where the killers want it, but the hunt is far from over. Side swipes create violent underwater turbulence, a new tactic. Only then will they be able to pull it down and drown it. Somehow the seal manages to reach a tiny ice floe. The killers could easily grab it, but now this seems to have become a game. Yet again, the pod joins forces to dislodge the seal. The seal sees a chance to escape. Exhausted, it no longer has the energy to pull itself to safety. And the killers are moving in. Game over.